Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't filmed a video in a while and I'm blonde now. My hair's grown out and I didn't like it brown, so I decided to bleach it and now it's a bit yellow, and I'm also severely burnt. But I just created this everyday glowy look that takes about 10 minutes and is perfect for work or school. So if you want to see how to achieve that, please keep on watching. So first I'm going to be taking the Revlon Age Defying CC Cream, and I'm not going to be using a primer today because I want this look to be quick, and I feel like with a CC cream you don't really need a primer. So I'm just going to be taking that on the back of my hand and dotting it all over my face. I really like the formula of this CC cream. It's very light and it just gives your skin like a tint. It doesn't have much coverage, so if you have blemishes on your skin you might want to go over with some spot concealing. But it leaves a really nice luminous finish and it kind of adjusts to your skin tone. I love getting foundation in my hair. So now I'm going to be moving on to concealer, and I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser in the color Fair Clair. And before I apply the concealer, I'm actually going to be removing the sponge applicator with a pair of tweezers because it actually holds a lot of bacteria, especially since the product is always wet. So you want to take that off so you don't get breakouts. It's really easy, just rip off the sponge. I'm just going to be applying my concealer with a brush, and I'm going to be taking that in a triangle under my eyes. So you want to make sure to conceal the very inner corner of your eyes because this is where you get the most purple, or at least this is where I get the most purple, and I'm using a concealer brush to do that because I find a beauty blender doesn't really get in there very well. I'm also going to be concealing all the little veins on my eyelids with this concealer, and then for under my eyes I'm going to be blending that out with a beauty blender. I'm actually not going to be setting my whole face, just under my eyes so the concealer doesn't crease, and on my cheekbones so the bronzer doesn't go on patchy. But if you have oily skin you might want to also set in the T-zone, and to do that I'm just going to be using the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. So you want to take any small powder brush. I'm just taking the setting brush from Real Techniques and I'm going to be powdering under my eyes. And I'm also going to be setting my eyelids because I have hooded eyes and the concealer tends to crease up on my eyes. Now I'm going to be moving on to bronzer, and if you don't have a lot of time in the morning you might want to skip this step, but I know that at least for me it makes my face look a lot warmer and more awake. So I'm just going to be taking the Australis Contouring and Highlighting Kit in Lighter Than Light Complexion. I'm just going to be taking the lightest brown shade and warming up my temples and cheekbones with it. And if you go overboard you can always just blend that out with a beauty blender. Since this is a quick morning routine, I'm just going to be taking the same contouring palette to do my eyeshadow, and I'm going to be taking the lightest color that I used for bronzer and putting that into my crease. And you don't have to be neat with this step, you can just messily apply the color into your crease just so it creates some kind of shadow and makes your eyes look more open. And I'm just going to be taking the same color under my eye. You want to make sure that whatever you put on the top of your eye, you put underneath, so it just brings the look around and it looks more finished. I find this just frames the eyes better. Now I'm going to be taking the middle brown color and just putting that a bit more tightly into my crease. And again, you want to make sure you bring that color under your eye. Now you can always stop here if you like, but if you want to frame the eyes a bit more you can take the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner and a small smudger brush. And I'm just going to be lightly packing that on my lash line, making sure to smudge it out so it looks really natural. And to make that line a bit more subtle, I'm going to be taking a small eyeshadow brush and the darkest color in the contouring kit, and I'm just going to be smudging out that black line. So I've actually already filled in my eyebrows today because I didn't have a drugstore eyebrow pencil, but I'm going to be taking this Tint My Brow Australis Brow Tint and just running that lightly through my eyebrows. I really like using a brow mascara because I have very sparse eyebrows and it creates an illusion that I have more eyebrow hair. I'm just going to be brushing out that brow mascara a little bit so it looks a bit more natural. I think I might have gone a bit overboard with the eyebrow product, so make sure you wipe the wand a little bit before you put it on your eyebrows. Now I'm just going to be taking the Essence So Glow Cream to Powder Highlighter and I'm going to be putting that on the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, my nose, and my brow bone. For mascara, I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Telescopic and it's the gold one. And lastly, I'm going to be taking this Maybelline New York lip gloss in the shade 60. I don't think it has a name. And to finish that off and add some more glowiness, I'm going to be taking the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.